Hey everyone, today we have a Land Rover full-size Range Rover autobiography 2024. Beautiful car, expensive car, and one of the most stolen cars in Ontario today. These cars get home 5 minutes later, usually they're gone. You don't know how fast they're going. People go to sleep, wake up in the morning, car is gone. If they have the key, they don't have the key, the thieves have your car. We've installed a device here, the IGLA Anti-Theft System. This car is not going anywhere. His neighbors might go, but this car is not going anywhere. Let me show you. I have the key, so I should simply have the ability to get into the car and drive away. Go ahead, I'll enter the car. I'll start the vehicle. Car is running. At this point, the thief thinks, oh my god, I got the car, let's go and drive away. Put the car in gear, and the car is dead. I'm gonna try to restart. There is no restart for the vehicle. Now I'm gonna let the car sleep, and I'm gonna show you how you actually drive the vehicle. So being the owner, the only one who's gonna know the code for the car. You can change the code to the vehicle as many times as you want. There is no limitation of how many times the code can be changed. You can create a combination of 3 presses or 20 presses. Once you enter the code, only then this vehicle is driving away. So let's go ahead and start the car. Okay, so the car is running. Now I'm gonna enter the code that I created for this video. The code is a combination of buttons, like I said, from the factory controls. So there's different controls available in the car. It could be your door, it could be your steering wheel, it could be different controls. Every car there are different controls. Once you have the system installed, the technician will teach you which controls are available in your car. So let me go ahead and enter my code. As we can hear, I got my confirmation. I'm gonna put the car in gear, and as you can see, the car went to gear, drive, everything works as usual. Remote starter functions, everything for this vehicle, all the features, you work as usual. You will not have any issues. You will not even know the system is there until you have to enter the code. But the thieves will never get your car. They can find us at Car System Installation, or go online, find a dealer in your area, iglacanada.ca, iglacanada.ca. If you're in the US, iglausa.com, iglausa.com or iglacanada.ca. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.